Welcome back. This is the fourth video of our 5-part series for resistance band training and workout lying down. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to be working on the back and the core. And glute bridge. So we're holding the band across our waist, both hands down, pushing it against the ground, and then we lift up. If it's not challenging enough, put one foot up. Apart from pushing up, we can also count in this hold. Also same, other foot. You can just hold it. Okay, so that's glute bridge. So these are, next one's going to be bonus exercises, and we've got the face down called Superman. Superman is a very good one. So obviously if you can roll over in your front, you can probably take away the pillow. This one I learned off some other fitness gurus. And we pretty much just holding your bands out in front, and we're lifting up. If you can't do the legs as well, just do your upper body. We can do both upper body and lower body. And as you go up, we want to open out. So lower up, open out, open out. Another move, if you can pull it out, you can go all the way back up to the back here. So down, up, hold, back, down, up, hold, back, down, up, hold, back, down. Okay. I named that one the face down Superman. I don't know what name it is, but that one sort of felt like that. So, okay. Resistance heel tap. So this is great for the abs. We're going normally heel taps are like this. What we're doing, offering just a little bit more resistance. Surround the shoulder, and we're pulling through. Okay, that just gives a little bit more resistance. You don't put your head up. It's also okay. Just tap your heel, and just go slowly if you like. Okay. Tail lap pull. Tail lap pull. Holding it, and we're keeping attention on the pull, and we're doing lat pull and going all the way up. Okay. And you can play with variations around it, that you can just hold it lower up, then you can do more extension up, and then back in. Back in. No. Okay, so different variations of that, or you just keep that pull. And then the crunch with the feet up. Crunch your feet up. This is sort of semi-assisted, and you can pull at the band. That gives you assistance to help you with the crunch. In this variation, we can turn right. Help you with a bit of a twist as well if you want. Okay, so that's like an assisted crunch with your feet up. And whoop,
that is all we have, okay? So thank you for tuning in, and please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and like and comment. Please comment. That's actually what I value the most, is the comments, so that what I can do, what I can improve to make these videos a little bit better as well. And okay, thanks a lot. Peace out.